Hello viewers and welcome back to our channel. After a long summer break, today I bring you an inspiring story about three senior athletics from India who are excelling in their respective fields, breaking all barriers and inspiring others. This episode is specially for parents to encourage you to live joyfully and pursue your passions. Let's start with Bakula Ben Patel, an 80-year-old swimmer from Gujarat, making international headlines for her resilience and determination. She hopes to one day become a Guinness World Record holder by swimming across the English Channel. She firmly believes that there is no age limit to learning something new or pursuing your passions. लगभग 20 साल पहले स्विमिंग शुरू करने के बाद वो अब यह दिखाकर दूसरों को प्रेरित करती है कि नए कौशल और शौक हासिल करने में उम्र कोई बाधा नहीं है। उन्हें तैराकी के लिए 500 से अधिक पुरस्कार प्राप्त हुई है, जो उनकी अदम्य भावना और समर्पण का प्रमाण है। Bakula Ben has participated in swimming meets around the world, including the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Bakula Ben एक समय पानी से डरती थी और जीवन भर तैरना सीखने से बचती रही। उन्होंने 58 साल की उम्र में अपने डर पर काबू पाने और तैरना सीखने का फैसला किया। उसने खुद से पूछा, मैं कब तक तैराकी से भागती रहूंगी? और तभी उसने चुनौती स्वीकार करने का फैसला किया। वो तापी नदी में नियमित रूप से अभ्यास करती थी और अब 80 साल की उम्र में वो हर दिन लगभग 100 मीटर तैरती है। She has instructed over 400 swimmers in her lifetime and hopes to encourage even more people to take up the sport. Her most challenging swim was in the Canadian Sea, where she swam twice. She dreams of conquering the English Channel and setting a Guinness World Record in swimming. Not just a swimmer, Bakula Ben also debuted as a Bharatanatyam dancer at the age of 75, making headlines as one of the oldest to perform the Arangatram. She has been honored for her dedication to dance as well. Now let's talk about 63-year-old weightlifter Rini Tharkan, who recently won gold medals in various categories at the 2023 International Powerlifting Federation World Classic and Equipped Masters Powerlifting Championships in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. She started weight training at the age of 10 and competed in her first professional competition at the district level in 2019. उन्होंने कहा, कभी-कभी आपको उस बाधा को तोड़ना होता है, ना कि उसमें फंसना होता है. She says each competition is an opportunity for her to improve and study the techniques of others. और अब 68 साल की अनुभवी एथलीट रुक्मणी देवी तलूरी. At an age when many things are slowing down, Chennai's Rukmani Devi is breaking stereotypes and proving that age is just a number. She played and captained basketball and handball for Andhra Pradesh in 4 national tournaments and later played basketball for Indian Railways. वो हर दिन सूर्योदय के समय फिटनेस एक्सरसाइज के साथ अपनी दिन की शुरुआत करती है. Encouraged by her coach to play sports at the age of 50, she showed that fitness for senior citizen is not just about mental relaxation. She is still learning and practicing discus, javelin, pole vault, hammer throw, high jump, athletic fitness, and the 100 meters race. She is now focusing on the next championships scheduled to be held in Sweden in August 2024. Confident women have demonstrated skill, grit, and determination by practicing throughout the year to win district, state, and national level sports competitions. Their message is loud and clear. Age is just a number. If you have the desire to achieve your goal, go for it. All that is needed is your willpower and determination. Keep striving for the best. Take care and bye bye.